You'll love how easy it is to make these savory mini pizzas with salami and salmon. Mix flour, yeast, and salt in a bowl. Add the olive oil and water. Knead into a smooth dough. Cover the dough with a moist tea towel. Leave in a warm, dry place for 45 minutes and let rise. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Cut each tomato into 5 slices. Divide the dough into 20 balls. Roll each ball with a rolling pin into a circle 3 inches in diameter. And place on lined baking trays. Spread pesto onto the dough circles, but leave the edges free. Top with a slice of tomato and sprinkle with cheese. Bake the pizzas in the middle of the oven at 425 degrees for about 15 minutes, or until crisp and golden brown. Remove the pizzas from the oven and let sit for 2 minutes to cool. Top 10 of the pizzas with salami and 10 with the smoked salmon. Garnish all of them with arugula. That's how you make mini pizzas with salami and salmon.